Alright guys, here's my crazy younger brother Isaac riding his little 90cc four-wheeler. It's a Chinese four-wheeler. Don't forget to sit up a little bit too, buddy. What? Don't forget to sit up a little bit too, okay?
What?
Don't forget to sit up more.
That
sit up a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. That'll help you.
Is that doing me good to my pedal?
You can. Go. Yeah, I am right now. There you go. He's in second gear, like wide open the whole time. It's a 4-speed automatic clutch. And my grandpa found these four-wheelers for free outside a trash can. He has 2 more. Another one just like this up its green, and this one Isaac wanted to ride it. He has just whiskey throttle whenever he rides a dirt bike, so he's really good at this thing. Woo! Okay, do your burnout. Hey, good job. Here, come this way and do. Oh no, go on that big one down there. Go on that big mud puddle down there. Yeah, do that one. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, he's pretty funny. That thing smokes really bad. If you guys could see it, the rings are bad on it. We're pretty sure, and it's probably about ready to blow up. But whatever. So I used to ride that thing. I mean, that thing's old. It's a Sunl, some kind of 90cc four-wheeler. I don't know what it is. But here's the big mud puddle. That's a big mud puddle. I think he's coming, yeah. Poison ivy over here too. Okay, here he goes. Yep, go slow and then floor it. You're not even really go slow and then floor it. Not yet. I'll tell you when to floor it. Floor it. Nice job, buddy. I gotta turn this off so it can come back. Okay, here he comes back down the hill. Do another one. Sit forward just to get less traction. Sit forward. Up, yep. Now floor it. That doesn't work that good because that thing is so tiny. But whatever. Yeah, but here's our wonderful woods. I'm not riding right now because we went to Butler, the Tri-State Motorcycle Club to ride for dirt bikes, so I'm really worn out. I'm pretty sore. Yeah, there's the old creek. And there's him coming. He doesn't go down the old creek yet, but be careful! Jeez. He's crazy. He just needs to learn how to shift in the 3rd gear and he'd be perfect. There's our creek. But sorry for the GoPro kind of twitch. I don't know, it's weird. It's kind of twitching. Whatever, it's kind of, the thingy's not that great. See what he does here. Oh, he goes that way. Then we have a long straight that goes way down there that, unlike on my TTR and stuff, we can hit top speed on it. It goes way down there. He didn't go on it, but. Yes, it's smoking a little bit, but not that bad. The nice thing about this is that he's mowing down all the weeds. Because down there it gets really bad. Like down there, like you can't even see the trail on the other side of the old creek. It's so bad. So, but he likes four-wheelers, so, because we tried to give him a ride on my sister's Red Cat 90 dirt bike, and that did not go well. I mean, he basically almost crashed into our trailer and van. He had so much whiskey throttle. Woo! I would love to put like too bad you can't take the spark arresters off on those things. That thing would be so loud, but I would love to put like a performance exhaust on it and a manual clutch, even though he wouldn't be able to ride it. But they're just hilarious. They're so much fun. Even though 4th gear is like, you have to have a perfectly flat ground to go in 4th gear. But, yep, see, now he's going down the big straight. Oh, I guess I'll turn this off for now real quick. Okay, he's going fast on the straight. I can hear him, but I mean, you can't see him obviously on the camera. Up there he comes. He's going slower now. It gets really bumpy, especially on the 4-wheel. That thing's probably bottoming out. Oh gosh. Woo! Be careful! Woo! Crazy. Sheesh. Yeah, he's starting to learn. He's starting to learn how to lean into the turns and stuff. We got him to do that yesterday, but man. Sheesh. Yeah, there's another trail up there, and then we have another little loop, a U-loop that goes up there. And come over here, Isaac. Here, try to drift maybe. I'm trying to get him to drift. Oh, come this way. Oh, okay, I don't know where he's going. But yeah, this thing's fun. I love drifting them. They're just so easy to drift. I mean, if you just get in second gear, you just drift all the time. Nah, no, he didn't really drift. He's not leaning enough. He has to really get his butt on the bottom of the seat and like really push. That's what he needs to do. Yeah, we just put a brand new battery in it because my dad works at he gets batteries and stuff, and the old battery that we had in it, like, you had to jump start all the time. Then we got another battery. That one worked okay, but you had to start it at least every like 5 days or so. And then we got this battery, it starts up really nice. So. Jeez, he's gonna crash into a tree or something. Yeah, he's like 8 years old, I think. Yeah, he's 8 years old and he loves this thing. These things have been abused. This four-wheeler has been abused. I'm gonna tell him to slow down over here. So there's a tree down over here somewhere. They can maybe hit. Oh, I guess it's not that bad. Isaac, calm down, buddy. There's a tree right here, so don't go too far over there into the grass. Just go straight through it all, the mud. There's a tree right here, so I don't want you to veer off and hit it.
I got you.
Yeah, just go right in the middle of all along here. And I want you to try. Well, nah, I guess not. Do you want to go up that big hill right there?
What?
Do you want to go up that hill right there?
I can't.
You can't? Okay, you're four-wheeler.
Down it?
I mean, you can maybe go up it. Do you want to try to go up it? Let's try, come on. Just give it a little bit of gas. Go really slow up and go as slow as you can.
I'm going to start over there.
Okay, well, you don't need that much power, but okay, yeah, start over there. Then we'll go up it. That's a fun hill to go up. If I usually come in second gear, my TTR right here, shifting to third about right here, and just wide open. It's so much fun. It's like a hill climb type of thing. So much fun to do. I'm gonna tell them to be careful though. Be careful. You don't have to go that fast. Just watch out for. It's kind of narrow. Just be careful. Go slow. Don't go like. Just go. Come on, go. You're four-wheeler. Make it up there. We might have to shift into first, but yeah, just go really slower. It'll make it up. I mean, you might burn out your clutch right now. See, there you go. Oh man. I'll help you turn around up here. Keep on going. All right. Yeah, this is gonna be nice because there's bad weeds over here. Oh man. I don't know why I wore sandals or slides. It's really annoying. Yeah, just turn around up here. Oh, you're going the hard way. We usually turn around this way, but whatever, go. You're fine. Yep, just turn. Yep, turn, there you go. Okay, now use your brake going down that hill, okay? We don't want you to go too fast, okay? Once you get used to it, though, you can go faster down it, but it's your first time. There's our house over there. Oh gosh, there's a bug on me. So annoying. Yeah, this is really fun. We go sledding down this in the wintertime, this hill. Down here more, it's really fun. Man, I didn't know it got this bad. I guess I haven't rode in forever because the trail's been too muddy. It's like the first time we've rode in like 3 weeks because it's been raining the whole time. There's our house. There we go. Yeah, he wants a little bit bigger four-wheeler, but like an LT80 would probably fit perfect for him. We did find one a long time ago for like $200, but my dad didn't want to work on it. Where are you going?
I'm going to stop going up now.
Okay, you can go wherever you want. I think kind of does good wheelies too in second gear. If you kind of pop up, if you kind of go up on it, it'll do decent wheelies too. But sometime I'm gonna have to ride it and mow down all those bad weeds. Here, I'll go over there and show you guys it. Oh man, my legs are so sore from riding a Butler yesterday. Because my TTR, even though I have the better fork springs in it, which that video is on our channel page. I might put it up here in the link too. Oh, here it comes.
Where you going?
I'm just gonna show them the weeds over here. But my TTR still bottoms out even with the brand new BBR fork springs in it, which are really good. They help a lot. And I adjusted my rear shock, so this should be better. But still, it bottoms out, and so my legs are like, oh. And this knee's kind of weak too. So there's all the bad weeds down there. It gets bad. Can't even see the trail hardly. But
Can you go down there?
you do?
No. It's
Oh,
too little.
I might ride your four-wheeler down there. I mean, my dirt bike doesn't do much. My dad's RM 125 will do it, but not my TTR. Okay, so if you guys want more videos like this, just random videos of Isaac riding around his four-wheeler, or my sister riding around on her red cat, or my other sister riding around on her Chinese 50cc dirt bike, let us know. Or if you just want more videos of me riding around on that thing, maybe, comment down below. And definitely subscribe to our channel for more updates. Opal videos will be coming soon. And Corvette videos will be coming soon too. And then we're hoping to get a Honda Prelude sometime too for my first daily driver, even though I'm only 14. But I should be getting to, so I can start working on that thing. Videos of that might be coming soon too. So if we can get it. So yeah, so stay posted. More random videos will be coming. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.